Okay, so let's talk about the basic physics of sound. This will help you understand the guitar a little bit more on a real basic level. Okay, so as you might know or might have heard, the bigger something is, the deeper the sound it makes. Or another way of saying it is that the larger something is, the frequency that it resonates at is a lower frequency, whereas something that resonates at a higher frequency tends to be smaller. Okay, for instance, on the guitar, a thinner string is going to be higher pitched than, say, a thicker string, which is going to be lower pitched. Okay, this is a basic physics law. Okay, that's why whales make these deep sounds, and finches and little birds and mice make these real squeaky sounds. Okay, so the actual size of the string matters in its highness or lowness. So does the length. Okay, so again, the smaller a body is, the higher pitch it is. So if we have a full-length string between the nut and the bridge, and I pluck that, then that's going to be a deeper sound than, say, moving up, and this is up the neck. Okay, so now the length of the string is shortened between the bridge and the 12th fret, and so now we have a higher pitched sound. Okay? What else about the basic physics of sound is that, volume. Okay, we talk about sound waves and frequency. When we hit something, or when something vibrates, it obviously causes sound waves, or it causes the air to vibrate, which turn into sound waves, which hit our ear, and we have the perception of sound. Well, depending on how loud our eardrum is rattling determines volume. Okay, so if I hit this very lightly, then it's vibrating the air very lightly, and those air waves or air particles are causing a small vibration. Okay, so all things to remember when you're playing the guitar, especially in regards to pitch. So later on, when we're talking about soloing or finding a particular pitch, if you know that this is a particular note that you're supposed to play, and you hear a note that's higher, going down here is obviously going to be a bad thing, because we want to go higher up the neck. Okay, so an important lesson to kind of get under your belt is the basic physics of sound.